Back from Colombo, and these are our purchases. We've got some trays, going to make some fodder with them. A few different seed trays here, and unfortunately the second death that we found today is this little bird baby. Maybe it's tried to jump out of the nest. Hello, he's coming to say hi. So I've got the ladder here to have a look. Now previously we had the red vented bulbuls. There's a nest there, it looks like it's tilted over, so let's go have a look. I have seen the adults flying in here once, and unfortunately that looks like the only baby, and it's fallen out, so very sad.